Sir,
cabinet is
There was nothing actually much in the cabinet. It was just, I think, that pink festival.
Purple Festival.
Purple festival. Sorry. The purple festival, and no much decisions were taken.
purple festival. What decision was taken? What extra?
No, it is just as far as the expenditure sanction was taken.
How much expenditure?
Something around 17 crore rupees.
Sir, तुम्हाला never speaker मिळाला. So you say about his experience.
See, I congratulate Dr. Ganesh Gaonkar for being elected as a speaker. He has got basically a vast experience in different fields. Basically, now today, so many members basically, while congratulating him spoke about his achievements and his vast experience in different fields. It will definitely help. I wish him all the best.
Sir,